In this video, I'm going to show you how to use payment links in QuickBooks Online. So first, make sure you already log in with your QuickBooks credential, and then from the left-hand menu, click the Sales, and then select the payment links. So in here, click to get started. So after that, simply finish this form, fill out the forms for a QuickBooks payment. Select a business type, your business phone number, and the industry. So once you're done with this, you can now copy and share it through email, text, or social media. So once the customer receives it, they can pay instantly through the secure QuickBooks payment portal. So you'll get a notification when payment is received, and it will automatically show up in your QuickBooks record. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.